And then, if you remember that we have learned a few more keywords called primary key, right? Primary key, we have learned candidate key, right? And we have learned alternate key, and we also have learned foreign key. Okay, these 4 keys we have to know. Now, to understand, let us make a small table. Okay, in the table, say I took student code, right? I took class, which class the student studies, and say I took his percentage, right? So these 3 are fields, and under which records are there. This is my first record of table, second record of second table, third record of third table. Primary key, if you remember, that it is basically a field which I told you in a very simple way in class 11, that it is a field which basically stores all unique values in all its rows. Say if I take a student code most probably will be having unique values in all the rows, okay, or in all the tuples. So we can say that this is a primary key. This is what we have learned in class 11. But actually the concept of primary key says that it is not necessary always that there will be only one field to be chosen as primary key. It could be quite possible that I might go for a combination of keys. That means I can, if I want, I can take a combination of keys, say S code and class. These 2 keys I have taken as a combination. That means if the value here is say S101 and if the class is say 10, then altogether this whole thing will be, or the whole value will be taken as the value of a primary key. Fine. So it is not always a specific column or a specific field. It can be a combination of fields also, or combination of keys also. Keys means field basically. So as a definition of primary key, we can say it is a field or maybe a combination of fields. If that combination of fields or if that single field uniquely identifies a record. The purpose is what? The purpose is that single field or combination field, whatever you take, that has to uniquely identify a record. Fine. In this case, obviously you can make out that if S code is giving all the unique values, then you might ask that what is the purpose of involving the class. In this particular case, there may not be a reason or utility to take as a combination of keys. But there are many tables where there is no code kind of thing. Fine. There it is seen that no particular field can be is capable of representing a record in a unique manner. So then the question comes that if we just pair it up with some other field, it's not always 2, it can be 3 or 4, it can be more than 4 also. Okay, depending on the circumstances. If I can combine 2 or 3 keys or fields, and thereby if I manage to identify a record unique in a unique manner, then that combination can also be called a primary key. So when we say the candidate keys, alternate keys, basically all these keys can be a single key or single field, or it can be a combination of keys. That we have to remember. Now candidate keys, basically you learned this in class 11. Candidate keys are basically all the fields or all the combination of fields, okay, which are capable to represent a row in a unique manner. In a unique manner, if a particular key or a combination of keys are able to represent a record, then all those combinations or all those single fields will be called candidate keys. All are qualifying to do that. Okay, now what will happen from the candidate key? Everybody will not become a primary key. Primary key is only one, right? So all the fields which could have qualified to be the primary key are called candidate keys. But one key will be chosen as a primary key. So primary key I already told you. That means those are not chosen as the primary key. Those candidate keys will be alternate keys. So we can say that alternate keys are all candidate keys, okay, but not the primary keys, okay, which are capable to represent a group of fields or single field which are capable to represent a row in a unique manner. Fine. And the last one is foreign key. What is foreign key? To understand the foreign key, we have to make an example, we have to draw a table. For example, say here we have S code, okay, and say I wrote event. Right? Say this is my basically the some people have qualified, some students have qualified for some prizes. So say student 101 in the event of say 100 meters, right? Somebody has won a prize. S102 say has won a prize in 200 meters. Just like that, I noted down different prize winners, right? And here I have another table which is called the student table, right? In the student table, all the students S code 101, S101, S102, S103, all the students, their name and other details. I am not writing all, other details are given. Now what is happening, look at this, in this prize table, a particular student might qualify to win two prizes. Say S101, he won 100 meters and also he is the winner in 400 meters. So in that case we can see in this table that S101 is repeating twice. Fine. So this is a perfect case, look at this very carefully, this is a perfect case where a single column primary key is not possible. Now what I was discussing exactly, what is foreign key? Now here, since it is a student table, here obviously the S code will appear only once. One particular student, his name, his details. Another student, his name, his details. So here basically we can clearly see that S code here is a primary key. Now the same S code, here it is primary key, but in this table he is not a primary key. If you have a situation like this, then we can say that S code for this table will be a foreign key. So what is a foreign key? A foreign key is the key in a particular table which is a primary key in another table. Then we call it a foreign key. This particular